Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to deviate from what I've been talking about for the last couple days here on, cordless tools, batteries and stuff for cordless tools and stuff like that. I want to talk about, hand-powered tools. Back when I was growing up, what did we have for a drill? Well, my dad had his electric drill that we weren't allowed to touch because it was plugged in and we were too little to use it. But he had other tools that we could do, hand tools, hand saws. Couldn't use the circular saw, but we used the hand saw. Could use the miter saw. Could use the hammers. Could use the hand drill. So we have to get it in there, get the drill bit locked in there tight, and we could drill holes to make our little projects that we were doing with. Sanding block, we couldn't use the power sander, but we could use the sanding block to sand stuff down. So think old school. There are a lot of powerless hand tools that you can use when the grid is down for either temporarily or for, temporarily as far as, a couple hours or a couple days, that you can use those to make life a lot easier. One of the things that one of the tools that comes to mind is the big saws, the 2-man saws for cutting wood, for firewood and stuff like that. So think about it, look at your options, do a little research, figure out what you can use, what you would need to use for just a short-time emergency situation, or if you're doing a deep dive prep on it, what are you going to need in a true SHTF or Tawaki situation where the grid's not coming back, possibly for the rest of your life. So think about it, do some investigation on it, and come up with a plan. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, tools. Learn a new skill. Learn how to use non-powered hand tools. Learn how to grow something. Speaking about learning how to grow something, grow an indoor garden. Next year we're going to be doing the indoor garden challenge. So that gives you all of this year to practice for it. All right? And the way prices are going up, you want to grow your own food.